Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we gonna draw Allu Arjun portrait. Please watch the full video. So let's start guys. At first I am using 4B pencil for eye. Now I am using 10B pencil for iris. Blend it gently. Blending is very important for every portraits guys. Now I am using 2B pencil. Now I am using 4B pencil for extra lines, 4B pencils for dark shades and 2B pencil for light shades. And blending is very important for every portraits guys. Light areas 2B pencil guys. For eyebrow I am using 10B pencil. Now blend it gently for smoothness. Blending is very important. You can use painting brush or blending stump. Blending stump homemade है. Now I am starting to draw second eye. Now I am using 4B pencil for shade. Shade it gently. For iris, now I am using 10B pencil. 2B pencils for extra lines or dark circles. Now I am using 10B pencil for eyebrow. 4B pencils for dark areas and 2B pencil for light areas. Now blending is very important part, very important part for a portrait. Blending stump and painting brush are perfect for blending, but I recommend blending stump for any portraits. For nose, now I am using 2B pencil. First layer 2B pencil to side. First 2B pencil, after that HB pencil. First layer complete, after that second layer. Two B pencil for shading. Now blend it gently. After that I am using now mechanical pencil. Now time to draw the lip. For lip I am using 4B pencil. For upper lip with 4B pencil, and lower lip 2B and 8B pencil, and the middle line 10B pencil. For smoothness I am using mechanical pencil 0.5. After shading, now I am blending lip, upper lip and lower lip. After blending the lip, now I am blending eyes and nose. So guys, today we completed eyes, nose and lip. Shading and blending also completed. So next part, face shading. So next part coming soon guys. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye friends.